support of investors from all across the board.
Kajing Jurip na Suiñ balale hagi Southly ke district Jangga Jylla Meghalaya kalapan pau badan Haduh kemba iway point kendai ar lak ton Dewïong belati Beaiñ. Kajing Jurip kalalong ha East Giant Hills, West Giant Hills, South West KHASI Hills but South Karu Hills. U Justice Kataki uba layalam khamat ya kajing tokin ulapan pau ya kini kijing lap jing syam jeng u Hadien ba ulawan ya kendu ya ki he sarkar. Kajing Jurip kabala kmi bnia ya ki jaka penhap Dewïong ki bambiang katemu banyara ladale AA persya eki ya ka kaipot bakhadu ansa IT ha ka arpopra tarik uyayong Hadien baladep ban bishar biang kibor badai kmi kala shim ya kilat kilenti banle AA persya eki jingti Dewïong Beaiñ ha kani kathan.
But I am reiterating, any coal other than the coal found available in the CIL designated depots is illegally mined coal. And action has to be taken under the MMDR Act, means FIRs have to be registered, coal has to be seized, the entire coal has to be put to auction, subject to the permission to be granted by the respective courts of law, and the entire sale proceed will go to the state exchequer. Not a single funding will go to the coal miners.